Namaskar, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about ANOVA. ANOVA is of two types, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. Today we shall study about one-way ANOVA with the help of example. Let us take an example. Suppose we have three groups A, B and C and the sum of A is 27, B is 21 and C is 24. Firstly, state the hypothesis, then calculate the variance between the samples. For this, calculate the mean of each sample. Then calculate the grand average of means of all the three groups. Now take the difference between the means of various samples and grand average and then square it. Now calculate the sum of square between the samples by adding the sum of these three columns together. Now calculate variance within samples. For this, calculate mean for each sample. Take the deviations of the various items on a sample from the mean value. Then square it and taking sum of square within the sample by adding these three columns from the table. Degree of freedom between the sample will be C minus 1 and within the sample will be N minus C, where C is number of groups and N is number of sample. Finally, F ratio is here where SSC is equal to sum of square between the samples and SSE sum of square within the samples with the ratio to degree of freedom. Now compare the calculated value of F with table value of F distribution with their respective degree of freedom. Here, the table value is less than calculated F value, so the null hypothesis is not accepted, but alternate hypothesis got accepted. Here is the list of steps of computation of one-way ANOVA. Thanks for watching.